How to make $7,500 every week working at your home using new proven make money online system. You are reading Smart Money Methods Review. Product name, Smart Money Methods. Author, Mark Foster. Category, e-business and e-marketing. Subcategory, e-commerce. Product type, video training. Official website. Click here to visit Smart Money Methods website. Risk, no, you can refund, money back guaranteed, for 60 days. Bonus and discount, yes, a package of 3 ebooks about how to make a full-time income working online, $157 value, for free. Click here to download Smart Money Methods program and the 3 ebooks package for free. Smart Money Methods about how to make $7,500 every week working at your home using new proven make money online system. In this short review about Mark Foster's program, Smart Money Methods Review, I am going to mention some pros and cons about Smart Money Methods product, so just keep reading Smart Money Methods Review to the end. Smart Money Methods Pros. Smart Money Method program is a unique proven make money online system to earn up to $1,000 daily working 30 minutes at the comfort of your home. Only 30 minutes every day working at the comfort of your home. No special skills or previous e-marketing techniques required. No software to install. Fast result, you can see your first dollars today. 100% legitimate work online system. Very easy to follow system, anyone can do it. For both beginners and advanced marketer. The Smart Money Methods is the safest, legal and sustainable money making online system. No high startup costs or fees. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Easy step-by-step guide. Low price ticket compared to the results you will get. Live support 7/24 plus 100% money back guaranteed. Smart Money Methods cons, online purchase risk, but you can refund within 60 days if it doesn't work. Although this system is proven, all the results depend on your effort and patience. Like any online course, no guaranteed results. You may do it wrong the few first tries, so be patient and try again. No testimonials or live results. The method how the Smart Money Methods program work is not clear.
Wow.